Hello, and welcome to Canadian Quarters Review. I'm Mark. Today on CQR, we're at BDM Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada, and we're checking out this 2022 Kawasaki KLX 300R. Apparently a really popular bike. It's a really good seller here. Let's dive into it, shall we? So this guy will be a 292cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke dual overhead cam 4-valve engine. It's got a 11.1 to 1 compression ratio. It is electronic fuel injected. You've got a digital ignition, electric start. You got a 6-speed return transmission. You got a wet multi-disc manual clutch. And of course, the final drive is chain driven. You're going to have a perimeter high tensile steel frame. You're going to have a 43mm inverted fork with adjustable compression dampening. You're going to have 285mm or 11 inches of wheel travel. For the rear suspension, you're going to have a Unitrack gas charged shock with piggyback reservoir. So of course you're going to be able to adjust the compression and the rebound and dampening, all that sort of fun stuff. Spring preload as well, 285mm or 11 inches of wheel travel. Your front tire, as far as its size, is going to be an 80/100 by 21/51M, and the rear is an 100/100 by 18/59M. So for braking on this guy, you're going to have a semi-single floating 270mm pedal disc with dual piston caliper on the front. And the rear is going to be a 240mm pedal disc with single piston caliper on the rear. So the road clearance on this guy is going to be 305mm or 12 inches. Your seat height is 925mm or 36 inches. The bike is going to weigh 128 kilograms or 282 pounds. You're going to have 7.9 liters of fuel capacity, a 6-month warranty through Kawasaki here in Canada, and of course you can extend that if you so choose. So as I said before, this is quite a popular machine. Sells really well here. Again, you've got your Kawasaki quality. Do your maintenance, change your oil, clean your air filter, give it a good soak down after every ride. You will have something that lasts you a really long time. Well put together, well engineered, solid plastics and metals. Just a really good machine. 300 is a half decent size. That should fit for most people, I would think. Decent enough power to get you in and out of things. Alrighty guys, well that about sum up another one for Canadian Quarters Review. As always, appreciate you all being here. Thank you for clicking on the video. Thank you for checking out the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Glad to have you. If you're a return viewer, so appreciate you sticking around. And with that, come to BDM Motorsports and come check out their stock. They've got quite a bit of accessories and parts and some decent bikes and machines in the showroom. Let them know that I sent you. They'll take great care of you. And with that, I'm out of here, guys. We'll see you on the next one, and thanks again for watching.